through crowds that never stop. Streets flicker, neon bleeds into concrete. Time feels like it's slipping. Every second a decision, every breath a shift. The world keeps moving, faster than I can hold. I used to resist it, tried to stand still, tried to catch up. Then something changed. I found stillness, not in silence, but in rhythm. In the way the wind moves across the desert, in the patience of distant train cutting through nowhere. I learned that flow isn't just speed, it's surrender. Not giving up, but letting go. Letting life pass through me instead around me. I began to listen, not to noise, but to movement, to the tide in my chest, to current beneath my thoughts. Change was never the enemy, it was the teacher. I started moving again. Not because I had to, but because I chose to. I am not chasing the world anymore. I am moving with it. I am the motion. I am the stillness. I am the change. This is flow. Not a path to follow, but a rhythm to feel. So I keep moving, breathing, becoming. Always in motion, always in flow.